Brain scans show that the entire brain is activated by mundane tasks, which discredits the myth that we only use part of our brain. 1 in 5 people are currently suffering from a neurological or psychiatric disorder worldwide. Strokes are the most prominent neurological condition to affect U.S. adults. Anxiety disorders are the most prevalent psychiatric disorders to affect U.S. adults, and the percentage of U.S. adults suffering from mental illnesses is increasing. The National Advisory Mental Health Council estimates that $400 billion a year is spent on treating behavioral and brain disorders. Twin studies are helping researchers to understand the disordered brain, in particular schizophrenia. Studying biological bases of behavior requires research on both animals and humans. In 1991, the National Research Council performed a study that was done by the Committee on Animals as Monitors of the Environmental Hazards, and this noted that 93% of mammals used in research settings are laboratory-reared rodents. The NRC also reported that majority of Americans believe animal research should continue. Animal research has provided drugs and techniques to minimize pain for the tested animals. In 1975, Peter Singer wrote Animal Liberation, which is a book where he says research on animals can only be justified if they can produce results. However, he cannot tell when a study will produce results. Recent research has allowed scientists to recognize the central role of the brain. Ancient Egyptians did not consider the brain to be important, and the Bible never mentions the brain as being important as well. But in ancient Greece, Herophilus, he was known as the father of anatomy, dissected bodies of both people and animals. He was able to trace nerves from muscles and skin to the spinal cord. Then in ancient Rome, Galen, known as the father of medicine, worked with injured gladiators and reported behavior changes of those gladiators with injuries to their head. These injuries on their heads sparked the possibility that the brain was responsible for behavior. Galen then hypothesized we all have something called animal spirits, which is a mysterious fluid that passed along the regions of the body. However, he was discredited because he refused to dissect humans, therefore all his ideas were wrong.